click OK. Then select a millimeter Newton second part solid. Then click OK. Select a plane which you want to sketch here. Then go to the sketch, make it sketch on view. Then select a circle and specify the required dimensions based upon your requirement. I specify the 7 mm for diameter of circle and then click OK. Just extrude the circle for required amount of thickness. I specify the thickness as a 108 mm. After extruding a circle, just click OK. Then select a midplane and go to the sketch, make it sketch on view. Then we have to draw a center line. Center line which is must necessary for using a helical swipe command. So after drawing the center line, we have to make the references on the edges of circle, cylindrical faces. Then go to the line command and draw a line at the reference edges of cylindrical face. Give the dimensions for the line. I give the dimension as a 66 mm. The length of line, specify the length of helical swipe. After that, we have to use the option helical swipe. Select a helical swipe. You can change the pitch value of helical swipe based upon your requirement. I specify the pitch value as 44 mm. After that, you have to just click edit swipe section, make it sketch on view. Then you have to draw a circle as a profile of swipe and specify the dimension for a circle as a 5 mm. Then click OK. Now the helical swipe is successfully created here. Make sure you have to click the remove material for creating a drill bit. Now the swipe remove material is created here. Just hide the unwanted planes. Then we have to use a pattern. So select a helical swipe and go to the pattern. Inside the pattern, we have to select a axis type pattern. Select our corresponding center axis and give the number of patterns to be produced. I enter the 2 number of patterns and give the angular between as a 180 degree. Then click OK. Now the pattern is successfully created here. After that, we have to apply the chamfer on the edges of drill bit. So select edge chamfer and we have to select a corresponding all edges of drill bit. Make sure it must be in a D1 and D2. Specify the dimensions value based upon your requirement. I specify the D1 as 1 mm and D2 as 2 mm and select all the corresponding edges of drill bit. Select the edges one by one. Make sure your dimension type is O1 and O2. Give the dimensions for O1 as 1 mm, O2 as 2 mm. After that, just click OK. Now the chamfer is successfully applied for the drill bit. Then show the planes, select a mid plane and go to the sketch. Make it sketch on view. First we have to draw a center line, which is must necessary for a revolve command. So draw a center line first and then select a line. You have to draw a profile for make the revolve remove material. So draw the line corresponding to the center axis. Make sure it must be a closed profile. Just click the feature requirements and check our profile, then click OK. Change the dimensions based upon your requirement as per your need. Then go for revolve feature. Now the revolve feature is created. Make sure you have to apply the remove material. Now the material is removed successfully in the drill bit for achieving the shape of the drill bit. Just hide the unwanted planes and axes for the better visualization of drill bit. Now the drill bit is successfully created. Go to the views and apply the appearance color for the aesthetic look of the drill bit. To watch more videos, just click the subscribe. Don't forget to like and share. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.